up, y'all? I've been decorating for Christmas all day long and still not done. I got the tree up in the living room, but I still got to put a couple of decorations up there. But I'm about to set up my little gold tree that I normally set up in my bedroom. I love Christmas. I don't believe in Jesus, but I really love Christmas. You know what I'm saying? It's just the certain atmospheric feeling, like togetherness, joy, cheerfulness, being grateful, being thankful, even though we just got over Thanksgiving, but still, it's the simple fact. But these are the things that I feel every day. A lot of times people just pretend. They just pretend for certain periods of times of the year, and then next thing you know, when the holidays over, they go right back to being a Grinch. But that's not me. But I really love Christmas. And I got my tree in there already set up. Almost done. Got to put a few more things up there in the living room. And now I'm about to set up my tree, my little gold tree in my bedroom, because I want Christmas throughout the house. You know what I mean? So I'm about to vacuum this floor. Let's get this party started. Even more of a mess. I done knocked my daggone plant dirt on the floor. But it's all good though. thankfully my little tree, all I gotta do is just put the legs on it and spread the little branches, and then I'll be good. And no, it's not a Charlie Brown tree. But this my little gold tree right here, y'all. Little tree right here. Let me bring this up. But I already put the little legs up there. Hold on, y'all. Break this tripod down. Yeah, I already put the little legs up there. It won't nothing to it. All I gotta do is like put the decorations up here. I spread the little limbs apart. What I say, branches. I spread the little limbs apart, so I don't know what I said. I think I said branches. As if it's a tree that's standing outside. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. What in the world though? That's crazy. So I fixed the little limbs, y'all. Got my little decorations. I gotta show my room some love too when it comes to Christmas. Christmas is like my holiday. And usually I don't like holidays like that, but Christmas, baby. Christmas. Told y'all it's a certain atmospheric feeling. It's a certain energy. So I don't believe in Jesus, but I know Christ. I believe in Christ. I know what the Christ energy is, but not Jesus. So everybody got that Christ energy. So, yep. And don't come for me in my comments either, because everybody got different beliefs. You know, you believe what you want to believe. Me, I do not believe in Jesus. And that's just what it is. I believe in Christ, but not Jesus. Christ is enlightenment. The enlightened one. As far as Jesus, I am the Jesus. I go through the trials, the tribulations. I bear my own cross. But I'm just straightening out this little. Okay. I got my little bag of decorations right here. Hold on, can y'all see? Cause I just got my little bag of decorations here to go on my little tree. My little tree. No, but for real though. See, I normally stick my little Santa Claus in the front. Front and center. Then his little suit. Ain't that cute, y'all? Y'all better hit up the tree for some decorations, because the tree behind them bomb decorations. And I'm going to sit his little suit up under his face. I'm telling y'all, better stop sleeping on our tree. Every year they put up these bomb decorations, yo. I'm trying to tell you. Every single year. Every single year. But yeah, his little suit gonna be up under him. It's gonna be cute. It's gonna be cute. Frosty gonna go over here. Put up one tree, gotta do another tree. Got to though. Got my little wreath here. Stick it up here. Put him on the top. Got a little silver star. This mic can't fit on the top. Hold on. Yeah, it fit. Put it there. There we go. I got some little glittery gnomes here, y'all. It's a man and it's a woman, which is so cute. Let me put these gnomes up here. Got these little red stars. I got all my little balls here, my ornaments. Let's see. I hope y'all can see. Can y'all see that? There we go. My bad, y'all. My bad. Y'all probably fussing at me behind that daggone screen now. I can't see it. I can't see that. I can't see what you doing, girl. Shoot, my bad, my bad, my bad. Hey. I just said my bad. I ain't gonna apologize no more. I ain't mean to. It wasn't my intentions. You know what I mean? Yeah. Alright. Yeah, that's better. I know y'all can see it good now, so it ain't no complaining. It ain't no complaining. So now I got these little teeny balls. Put some around the back. Something. Go around the whole tree. See. Y'all know how you be decorating the tree and you be like, oh yeah, I gotta show the back some love. That's how it be. Cause you tend to forget, like the back side need love. You know, the back of the tree. It was like, oh snap. So busy decorating the front, you forget the back. It be like that though. Can't forget that back. Make sure you hit the back side to the daggone tree. Don't leave that back side out. Don't do it. See. Might seem like it need. Where can I put this at? Right there. Put this here. Oh, we don't have no red on the top. Come back to that. Oh. No, not there. Alright. Going with my little gingerbread man here, y'all. You know, it's kind of. See if I can show y'all. Ta-da! Cute. He's so cute. Trying to see what I'm going to do with him. Where can I put him at? Trying to find a perfect little spot. No, not really right there. Let's see. Oh yeah. No. Here. Probably not even down there. I wouldn't even know, y'all. Let me try here. Nope, not there. I don't know. Probably here. Nope. See it right here. He's just gonna have to be there. He's alright. Yeah, one more red one. Then I need to switch these. No, I don't. No, I don't. Okay. Then y'all be taking like, oh no, I got one more thing. This. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Where am I gonna stick this at? Okay. Now, then I put these little bows right here like this at the end. I got a lot of these little bowls, y'all. Good gracious. A lot of them, but I like them. I like them on my tree. Oh, shoot. One of my ornaments fell off. And besides, it takes time to decorate, especially if you want it to look right. You don't want it to look any type of way. It takes time. So, you gotta take your time with this stuff. Can't just smack it up there. You can tell, you look at decorations, you look at lights like on the outside of people's houses and stuff, y'all. You can tell who rushed it. I'd be like, why even put up the decorations if you got it looking sloppy like that? I don't know. That's just my opinion. Why even bother? Why even bother to waste the time to put the lights up outside of the house if you got it looking any type of way? That's just crazy to me. Like, they put it up like they ain't feel like doing it. So why even do it? I don't get that. Why? Why did you even do it? Just don't do it. Just leave it off. That's crazy. But every time I see crazy things that people be doing, I just be like, I got to remember everybody's mindset is not the same. I just be questioning things. I just be like, why? Why did you even do that? Why did you even do that? That's just me. Why? Why did you even do it? That don't even make sense. Why? Why would you even waste your time? All right. Trying to see y'all, like, what else I need to stick bowls. I'm almost done with putting them up. Okay, I see. But I'm just trying to find like little sections on where I can stick these bowls at. Cause I'm running out of space, but it's all good. Okay. I'm just grateful to be to be able to even approach another Christmas. You know, I'm not gonna say see Christmas because Christmas haven't got here yet, but I'm just going to say approach another Christmas, because a lot of people didn't make it that far. So you definitely got to be grateful for that, you know, with everything going on out here. See, I don't just express my gratitude and me being thankful around Thanksgiving. This is something that I am every single day. It shouldn't take a holiday to express how thankful and grateful you are every single day, you know. I mean, even if it's not every day, still just the thought of it from time to time, you know. Trying to see. Where are y'all? Okay. Let's see about here. I gotta figure out how to fix this one. I got two of them that really need to be fixed. Oh my goodness. I don't know, you guys. I'm gonna move my tree over here though. So I'm gonna show y'all where I normally center my tree at. Show y'all. I don't know if I can scratch this wire, so I'm gonna show y'all the best way I can. It's over here. Boom. So it's gonna be sandwiched between two of my live plants this year. Cause last year I did not have one of these plants in here. But now that I got two of my plant babies in here, Tiger and Free, I put my tree right in between these two, and that's where it's set right there. And I might get me a little tree skirt to go on the bottom of it or whatever. But that's my tree, y'all. All right, you guys, this is the tree inside of the living room. This is the front of the tree. I'm gonna go to the other side so y'all can see the side of the tree. This is the side of the tree here. Pretty, pretty. Now I'm gonna show y'all the other side. Then I'm gonna take y'all to my bedroom so y'all can see that tree, the finishing product with everything put together. This is the other side here. Now let me take y'all to my bedroom so y'all can see that. All right, y'all, this is my little gold tree down here. turn on this light so y'all can see it. It's how the little mini gold tree look. Got my little bows and everything up there. This is the front of the tree. Show y'all the set right quick. I decided to throw some little red lights around my window. Very festive. I think it's very, very cute. But I think I'm gonna put this tree on my step stool, y'all, so it can take it off the floor. Yep. And those are my two trees. Bye. You've been tuned into the Vlogmas. Make sure you like, share, comment, and subscribe. Bye.